I'm Asher Budwig. I run Lola's Cupcakes. We have a business that operates like 26 retail stores dotted across London and the South East. And we also have an online business where people can order bespoke celebration cakes delivered to their home. We also have some stores internationally as well, Dubai, Tokyo and so forth. So that's what we do here. We bake everything from scratch and we create lots of magical cakes, unicorn cakes, fantasy cakes. And we spend a lot of great time and care making sure they're very delicious and get to the customer safely. I have the American Express Gold business card. I use the American Express card for everything that we buy in the business, big and small, big purchases, computers, laptops. Our MPD manager in a couple of weeks' time is going out to visit our franchisee in Dubai, and we've paid for a great deal of that flight using the reward points. We're sort of trying to put most of our spend through all the big ticket items, and then we look forward to spending the points on some exciting things for the business. The annual fee for the card is nominal when you think about what the rewards can bring to the company and for people. The online portal is actually very good to monitor what you're spending, how you're spending, who's spending, and then obviously you have the point side of things as well, so you can see how well you're doing and how many points you've accumulated. So we'll really think about what would be useful for the business and the people within the business and how that can benefit them. And American Express was sort of the first that we sort of really thought about seriously and decided to move all our business expenditure through. Obviously if we're saving money, that's a win-win, and we can eat more cupcakes.